Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your desktop background in Windows 10. So this is actually your main background, which is this big kind of picture here. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, it's quite simple to do. All you need to do is come down to the search box at the bottom down here. And then what you want to do is type settings into there. And that's going to bring up these options here. And what you want to do is click the top one which says settings. So once this has opened up, what you then want to do is come and locate the personalization option, which is normally up here in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and give that a click, and then we're going to get a screen that looks like this. So this is where you can actually change your desktop background, and what you can do is just basically choose whether you want just a picture, whether you want a solid colour, so in other words just like a plain colour like red or black or green or whichever, or you can do a slideshow, which means it will alternate between different pictures. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select picture. And then what you want to do is come down and click onto Browse, which is this button down here. And then from here, you can actually go ahead and choose a picture that you've downloaded. So if there's an image on the internet that you'd like to set as a background, all you would do is download the picture, click onto the Browse button and go ahead and choose your picture. Windows 10 as well, they do have a couple of pictures you can use, as you can see down here. So you can just click on one of these as well, for example this one, and you'll see if I minimize my screen that has changed the background. And same again, if I wanted to change it to this one for example, you should go ahead and give it a click, and you'll see again that's changed the background. But obviously to add a custom picture you would go into Browse, find the picture that you've downloaded from the internet, double click it to apply, and that would change it that way. Also, you've got a couple of options down here, this drop down box. This is more so for pictures you've downloaded. So normally if it's like not the right resolution, you can come down here and change this. So for example, I've got it set to stretch, which means this image is stretched across the screen, just so it looks a bit better on the screen. So there's just different options you can choose to make your picture fit. So you can have a play about with that to choose the one that makes the picture fit the best for you. But that's how you do it. As I say, you've got slideshow as well. So what you can do is to set up a slideshow, you basically have a few more options. So you would just go ahead, choose albums for your slideshow. So what you would do is download some pictures, and then you would select them all, and they would appear here, and then you would set the time for when to change your picture. So for example, I could do every minute, and then what's going to happen every minute, the pictures in my slideshow is going to change across. And also obviously you've got a few more options, so you can turn shuffle on, which means it just puts them out randomly. There's not a set order that the pictures appear in. And also you can choose this, let slideshow run even if I'm on battery power. So this is obviously slideshow uses a bit more power if you're on a battery. So you can choose whether to turn this off one, and again you've got the option to choose a fit. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. So I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.